Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this new video. Today my topic is the Google Ads for YouTube channels, and let's go start this video. The Google Ads for YouTube channel, how to promote YouTube videos with Google Ads. The process of creating an advertisement advertisement for your video on YouTube is similar to the process of create an advert on other social media sites. It is our curricular circle to get it right. And the last thing you want is to waste money, uh, but want to make a proper result of exposure exposure on this hugely popular platform, uh, due to the fact that YouTube promotional tools are handled by Google Ads methods can get um, complicated. The purpose of this guide is to explain the different options you have when creating Google Ads for YouTube channels. In this way, you can maximize YouTube marketing effort. Now let's get started. Uh, why why use Google Ads for your YouTube channels? You may be asking yourself why you should use Google Ads for YouTube channels. The answer is simply simple. The Google Ads to give you a lot of control over where your ad appears, who sees it and how long it runs. You can also track the effectiveness of your companion campaign using detailed report from the Google and analytics. This allows you to ensure that your money is invested in the right places. With this platform, you can easily create and manage promotional captions. The companions uh, for, for your videos. This is especially important if you want to attract new viewers and increase the number of subscribers on your channel. Well, YouTube does have some basic tools that allow you users to promote their content. These tools are not as powerful as the Google Ads. Uh, the Google Ads for YouTube channels work. Yes, Google Ads for YouTube channels works. For can use this platform uh, to create and manage proportional um, comparison comparison for your videos. These also you to attract new viewers and increases the number of subscriber of channel on your channel. With this platform, you can create and do a variety of different type of comparisons to promote your with. This includes uh, and Metropenian earn dollar 3.5 per answers. Display ads which promote your channel and attract overview who have not yet subscribed to it. Videos, video ad which promote individual videos in stream. Video ads which show at the beginning of a video has the viewer matches it live on reply. I hope my video is best and you completely watch and thank you.